Hello guys, today we are going to talk about our next weekly planner. This is the 2022 weekly planner, and this is some kind of boho style and some kind of creative coloring weekly planner. We also have another weekly planner that is a minimalistic simple white and black planner also. So let's check this out. So this is the main menu of the planner. So you can, in the left side you have monthly section with each month and corresponding goals, review and budget pages for each month. These all are hyperlinked, so you can click to go to any page of this section. In the yearly section you have 2020 calendar, yearly overview, quarterly overview, key dates, yearly goals, and 2022 calendar and 2023 overview, to-do list, saving tracker and yearly finance. Also in the latter part you have a section area. You have 10 sections that you can organize your notes and other things in these sections. Also you have 5 notes types to manage your special notes in these sections. So let's start with the next page, which is some kind of 2022 the calendar. You can see that there is also a weekly number in front of each week. So this is also hyperlinked, so you can get to any weekly page with this left side weekly number. So let's try with this. So let's say we want to go to the week 11, so that's the March week. We started with March 14th. Only you have to do is tap on week 11, so you will directly go to the week 11 layout. So you can organize your weekly things here as well as note section. Also you have a small calendar that corresponds to each month in the bottom part of the planner page. Also in each week layout you have two versions. This is the layout list view version. Also you have schedule version. This is schedule, so you can schedule each event or things in here. And in the top right you have the universal navigation bar. This is because these 4 icons you can find it any page of you. So first thing is the yearly overview, then you have yearly goal section, goal pages, then yearly finance, then finally you have yearly savings. So this is the 4 major and main parts of this planner. So you can go to any of these planner from this top 5 corner. So let's see in the 2022, this is the right side bar that you can navigate to each month. Let's see, this top 3 bars is for the main menu. Let's go to January. So this is normally January layout with Monday start. You also get Sunday start in same package. And in top here you can see each month you can have personal monthly layout and work monthly layout. This is very important because you can manage your work-life balance separately. So then the same layout, but you have 2 pages for that. Then you have goal pages for each month. Then you have review page, and also finally you have finance page. So you can manage your month very efficiently to achieve your goals. I'm not going to describe each layout. You can check these pages with this video. Also this is the monthly tabs that you can have, very beautiful layout. Also initially you can Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 and also key dates as well as 2023 overview. So this is a very complete but minimal planner without heavy layouts or other anything. So you can focus your financial and goals in your work life to manage and achieve your everything in your daily life. So I think that's all for this planner explanation. So if you have any questions regarding this planner, you can message me via Etsy or give a comment in comments below in the description. So let's meet with another video in next week. Thank you.